Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write text in Adobe InDesign 2022. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I write text in this document. At first I have to select this text tool or type tool. Now drag on your mouse, press the left button to insert a text box. Now you can see I insert a big text box. Now I write anything in this text box on my keyboard. Now you can see I write text in Adobe InDesign very easily. You can also change your text font. Select this character menu and choose your font. Now I choose my Montserrat bold. Now click outside. Sorry. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I write text in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.